Ever had plans change right before an event and needed to send your tickets to a friend? If you bought them through TickPick, you're in luck. Transferring tickets is fast, easy, and completely free. Let me show you exactly how it's done. Start by opening TickPick.com on your browser or the TickPick mobile app. Both work the same way. Log into your account, then head over to your orders or dashboard section. This is where you'll see every event you've purchased or accepted tickets for. Next, find the specific event you want to transfer and tap on it. Once you're inside, look for the Transfer Ticket button. Click it and TickPick will ask for the recipient's details. Simply enter their first name, last name, and either their email address or phone number. You can even drop a quick personal note if you'd like. Before confirming, double check all the information to make sure it's correct, then hit transfer. TickPick will send your ticket instantly to the other person. No extra charges, no waiting around. The recipient will receive it directly in their email or app, ready to use. And the best part? You don't need to print or forward anything manually. It's all secure, digital, and hassle-free. Whether you're giving a ticket to a friend, swapping seats, or just being generous, this is by far the easiest way to do it. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like the video, share it with someone who uses TickPick, and subscribe for more quick, no-nonsense guides. Enjoy your event and have an amazing time.